Be serious. Be serious, please.
Hey guys, we're back. We have a really delicious treat for you.
Oh my gosh.
This is really good.
It's addicting.
Why don't you describe what it is?
It's a pepperoni without the crust, basically.
And I like pizza.
It's good. It's one of those things where you take one and you're like, oh, that's tasty. And then after a minute, maybe I'll have one more.
Highly addictive.
Maybe just one more.
Yeah, these are good.
5, 6 later.
We have a combination of pepperoni, which I'm like into salt type things. It has cheese,
Sauce?
basil, olives, sauce. Oh my gosh.
Got the basil right out of the garden?
Oh yeah. I like it.
Yeah, try it. Fresh mozzarella. And you get that sandwich size pepperoni, and you cut it. Video will show you. It's really easy, but oh my gosh, it's addicting, isn't it?
Can't talk with my mouth open.
You can't talk with your mouth open.
In front of the camera.
You can't talk with your mouth full.
I could. That's true. Reverse that. This is pretty good. Remember, have it with the meal, not as a snack.
Right.
Unless you're making a video.
Right. Or, like we seem to have done twice now, just have it as your meal.
Yeah. We're actually within the window. The eating window of our intermittent fasting program.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
In the window.
The window of allowable food.
It's kind of a big window.
Yeah, 4 hours is big.
Okay, anyway, it's probably more information than you needed to have. But all this to say, these little snacks are really good. Your kids, if you have kids, love them. You can make them as appetizers. What else?
That's pretty much it.
You can, and we made them and then put them in the refrigerator, brought them out the next morning, cold. Cold pizza. Who doesn't love cold pizza?
I like it.
I mean, come on. It's really good.
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Okay, check it out.
Yeah.
Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.